National Drainage and Irrigation Authority is set to take over maintenance of drainage and irrigation systems from GuySuco. Here are the details.
Chief Executive Officer of the National Drainage and Irrigation Authority, Frederick Flack, said that some systems are already in place for the agency to take over from the reorganized Sugar Corporation.
We've received some additional money to carry out those works. And so we've had discussions with GuySuco to that end, and shortly NDIA will take over that responsibility.
He added that the NDIA is also striving to have a smooth transition of workers from GuySuco to the agency. He added that there's not likely to be any further redundancy of workers.
The way we've discussed with GuySuco is that at least for the first, we'll have to depend upon GuySuco to assist. For example, with the pump stations, we do not want to go there, remove all the men and take new men. So virtually you'll have the same people. So for the first, it makes sense to continue to use the people who are employed by GuySuco. And I suspect it's the same thing will happen with the drainage, or with the drains, the canals, the structures. It's the same thing I think will happen.
The Guyana Sugar Corporation, throughout its years of operation, has played a strategic role in the maintenance of drainage and irrigation canals, which link several communities and provide irrigation across the coastlands of Guyana. With its reorganization, many were concerned about these canals being left to become clogged and dysfunctional. Paul McAdam for InfoHub.